Hey everybody, how you going? So we're back with another frequently asked question of the week video, and this week we are going to be addressing the different speed level options that you can choose from on your Dr. Pen devices. So I'll be using the X5 device to demonstrate today, and if you're familiar with the X5, you'll know that the X5 has 5 different speed level options. So that means if you turn the pen on, as you can see on the display screen, it says we're on speed level 1, and it goes all the way up to level 5. 3, 4, 5, and back to 1. So most of our devices will have 5 or 6 different speed levels to choose from. So when it comes to choosing a speed level that's appropriate for you, it's really just down to whatever you feel the most comfortable with. So your speed level is not going to deliver a better result if you're using a lower or a higher speed. It's basically just whatever you think is more comfortable while you're doing your microneedling or nanoneedling treatment. So if you like to be using level 1, then use level 1. If you like to use level 5, then obviously use level 5. But one of the factors of using a higher speed level is that some people feel as though it helps the cartridge glide over your skin more smoothly. So if you are someone who feels like sometimes when you're needling your pen catches a little bit, then you might like to try using a higher speed. So all it really means when you go up speed levels is that the pins in the cartridge are going to be rotating at a much faster rate than the lower levels, or your nano needle cartridge, obviously, if that's what you're using at the time. So the lower speed levels, the cartridge is going to be rotating slower than what it is on the higher speed levels. As I mentioned, it's really just a comfort thing. If you feel more comfortable using a lower speed, then by all means continue using that. And if you prefer the higher speed levels, then that's perfectly fine as well. The speed level is not going to change the result of your microneedling or nanoneedling treatment whatsoever. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did like it, please, we would appreciate it if you gave us a thumbs up. If you could so kindly subscribe, we would really love that as well. And as always, if you have any questions for us, please drop them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much for listening today, and I hope you have a lovely weekend.